How to apply for free government iPhone 7? Nowadays, it's impossible to function without a phone in our technologically advanced society. Therefore, the US government provides residents with free phones. Under these programs, iPhones are currently being distributed. What is a free government iPhone 7? Applying for either the Lifeline or Affordable Connectivity program from your preferred carrier will entitle you to a free government iPhone 7. Those who cannot afford an iPhone 7 need to apply for government aid to help cover the cost. How do I qualify for a free government iPhone 7? You must meet a few criteria to be eligible for this no-cost iPhone assistance. Both the Lifeline and the ACP programs are available individually, along with ACP and Lifeline combo. The following are the requirements of the government's Lifeline program to get a free government iPhone 7. 1. Have an income below 135% of the federal guidelines for poverty. 2. Supplemental Security Income, SSI. 3. Program for additional help with food costs via Medicaid and others. What is the way to apply for a free government iPhone 7? You can apply for a free government iPhone 7 in a few different ways. The process has been streamlined to facilitate citizens' access to aid. The first step is that you have to apply for it by the mediums. There are 3 mediums for applying for the free government iPhone 7. 1. The first way is that you can apply via online by visiting an official government website. 2. The second way is that you can apply via sending an email. To know the email, visit our site. 3. The third way for this, you just need to visit your preferred network service provider with all the documents and tell them that you want to apply for this scheme.